new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video. Also hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you don't miss when I upload a video. So I know I've been gone for like a month or so, 2 months. I don't know. I've been gone for a long time, a very long time. And you know, I don't really have an excuse. I do have an excuse. It's not really an excuse. I actually did record a video to go up. It was like a chit chat, like get ready with me type of video. And I just didn't post it because the things that I said in the video aren't happening now. So I don't really see a need to like post it or whatever. But if you guys want to see that video, let me know. Okay, I'm talking way too much. This intro is like way too long. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing makeup and I'm also gonna be trying out like some eyeshadow like for the first time type of thing. It's nothing like too crazy or anything like that. If y'all want to see me like mess up my face a little bit, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so to start off, I'm gonna just go ahead and prime my skin. Little primer ain't never hurt nobody. I'm gonna go in and just go ahead and do my eyebrows really quick. I'll probably do those off camera and then come back. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be back. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are all done and filled in and all that good stuff, I'm gonna go in now with my eyes. I think I wanna do my eyes first, get that out of the way, get all the embarrassment out of the way. So I should say that I watched a couple videos, but in reality I didn't watch any videos on how to do any type of eyeshadow. So we're gonna see how this goes. This could be a complete disaster. And if it is, this video will still go up because I really don't care. But anyways, so I'm just taking like the same, I just had a brain fart. Anyways, I'm taking the same concealer that I used for underneath my brows, and I'm just putting that all over like my eyelid because I think you're supposed to use that to prime or whatever. I think so. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're gonna go with that. And I've heard mixed reviews on setting versus not setting, but I think I'm gonna not set today. So I'm really just gonna work on one eye at a time. If you guys think I'm doing anything crazy, you're wrong. I'm doing something really basic. I mean, the palette that I'm using is called Basic. These are the colors. Yeah, pretty basic, I know. So let's see, I'm gonna go in first with like this little brush here. I don't know what this brush is called, but I'm going in with this first. And I think I'm gonna dip into like, I don't know, like a brown shade or something to start off. Let's go with like this shade right here. Like put that like in my crease area, sort of. This is what they kind of do on the YouTube. I'm doing one eye at a time, you guys, because, or I should do both of them because I won't remember the steps that I took to like, I might. If I miss a step, oh well. Okay, that wasn't too bad, huh guys? So let's do something else. Kind of want to dip into like these purple shades. You know, purple is my favorite color. So we're probably gonna work with these two shades right here. This one and this one. It's really dark. Let's see what it does. And you notice I'm not, you know, getting all close and all, you know, whatever to the camera because I don't know what I'm doing. And how I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing if I don't even know what I'm doing myself. And I'm just taking this and what did the YouTubers say? Deepening up the crease. Ooh. Ooh. She fancy. She fancy. Okay, let's not go crazy. Let's not go crazy. You know what I should probably do next? I'm gonna take this clean blending brush here and I'm gonna like blend out the edges. I guess that's what the YouTubers do. Just gonna blend out the edges. Let me add some more. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do too much, but some more of that color like to the outer area here and kind of like bring that in a little bit. We might be cooking with grease. I'm gonna just take like just this random old brush here, like this one, And I'm gonna go back in with this what shade did I use? What transition shade did I use? See? Oh, I'm gonna go back in with this shade here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of that back to the edges because I feel like I lost the color a little bit. This is probably not the right blender brush for this, but hey. I'm gonna go back in with this other blending brush that I used to like blend out the edges. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that even further. We're getting into eyebrow area, you guys. We're getting into the eyebrow area. How we looking? How we looking? How we looking? All right, let's get serious. This is a very serious moment. I kind of want to go with like a little shimmer action. You know what I'm saying? Is this a shimmer? That's not a shimmer. That's not a shimmer. I don't know which brushes to use for what, and it's crazy. I'm gonna just use my finger. Where's the clean blending brush? Where's the clean blending brush? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna use this and just like go back in. There is like a mad line of like demarcation right in this area, so I'm just gonna try to like blend that out. But I can't stop thinking about late last night when you put it down and turn around. Now it's 3 a.m. I'm back for more than just 2 hours. Did I just mess this up? I covered up like everything that I was trying to make shine, 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 shine through. Is this a shimmer? What the heck is this? What is this? I don't think eyeshadow is my thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like my other eye real quick, and we're gonna move on to like what I know how to do. So yeah, this is why I should have did my other eye when that thing keeps beeping. Now we're gonna move on to the face. So I'm gonna just go ahead in with this e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I'm gonna be using this today. This This eye look looks intense, huh? Now I'm trying to go in with the concealer. Using a Stay Matte Concealer by Rimmel London. Alright, so my camera died. All I did was just set my under eye. I don't know why I'm doing so much talking like this is a tutorial, because it's not. I'm gonna just go ahead and with some of that dark shade like underneath my eyes, because I feel like it's like real naked under there and I don't really like that. Now I'm gonna go in with like a little contour. No, I'm not gonna contour. I don't contour. I'm gonna go in with a little bronzer. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little like highlight. Probably just gonna do like a little, just a little bit like on my nose. Don't wanna do too much. Don't wanna do too much. So I'm just gonna get up close so you guys can see. This is my eyeshadow, you know, literally first time doing eyeshadow, so like this is my base face, you know. So now we're gonna go in with a little mascara. Before I do that, I'm gonna curl my lashes a little bit, which is something I don't do that often. Probably put something on my lips, huh? I probably just want to go in with like something like this. I'm just gonna like line it with like this brown lipstick. Just make like a little concoction going, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking my scarf off so we can get the finished reveal, know what I'm saying? This might actually look a little better when I take my hair down. Don't mind my edges, please. I know they look crazy. I'm not about to go lay them just to go lay down and go to sleep. Not doing that, not wasting the product. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to, oh gosh, I'm recording so long I forgot how to close out my videos. This is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, do subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. Don't miss when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.